Okay, we will create a new app. File, new. Okay, we will learn timer. We will consider 4 different cases about timer. Okay, first we will insert a simple timer. So we will see 60,000 milliseconds. So this is 60 seconds. No, this is 60. Yeah, 60 seconds. 60 seconds, but you have to put 3 zeros, so it becomes, because this is in milliseconds, so 60,000 milliseconds becomes 60 seconds. So we'll reduce, we'll make it 5,000, a 5-second timer. It's a 5-second timer. Duration 5,000, 5-second timer. Auto start, we'll make it true. So as soon as the application starts, the timer will start. So let's run this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. The timer is done. Next case. Timer. Again, the duration 5 seconds. Then auto start 5. This time we will not make it start on its own. Auto start is false. Okay. And then we will put a button. To start the timer, we will put a button. When you click the button, we will set a variable start to true. So set, this is setting a variable. We set a variable using the function set. This will set a global variable. So set var start. A variable can be any value. It can be a string, a number, a date, or a true false. So set variable start to true. So only when the button is clicked, the variable start will be set to a value of true. So on this timer, the start attribute in PQR, a start attribute, which instead of false, will make it variable start. Got it? So timer, the auto start is false. In this one, the auto start was true. So as soon as we started the application, it started the timer. This one, auto start is false. So it will not start the timer. But instead, it will start on this function start with the variable var start, will make it start. And this variable is set to true when we click this button. So let's run this. Let's run it. So this has started on its own. This, when we clicked, it started. It didn't start on its own. Okay, that's the difference. We'll consider a third case when, no, wait. Let me run this. Let me show you what's happening here. It will start here. Or no. No. So we have to make it stop. And then we have to set the variable start to false. And only then will the timer stop. So let's come here. Input timer. Third timer. This time we'll put 2 buttons. One will start it. Another one will stop it. So this one, once again, 5-second timer, auto start will be false. Very good. And of course, this button we will set variable start to true. Okay, variable start to true. It will start the timer, and here for start we will set it to variable start to. So on this button, variable start to is set to true. In this one, for start, we are setting this. And on this, we will make set variable start to false. So now we can start, stop, start, stop. Set true, set false, and on here start is variable start to, auto start false. Let's run this. This will run on its own. This will not run because we have not reset it. So this will start the timer. We have to press this. This will reset it or set the start to false. Then again we start. Because in here we didn't set the variable to false, but now we are setting it to false, and then we run it. Okay, it's very important that you reset it to false, otherwise the variable will remain as true. So we make it false and then we run this. Very important. Timer. Now we will use the third technique. No need of this button. When the timer ends, we will set the variable to false. So we'll put another control here. Input timer. Duration is 5 seconds. We will duration 5000. Okay. Auto start is false, and then we'll put a button. Set variable start 3 true. And when this start, we will set it to variable start 3. What did we set here? Oh, that's power apps. Power apps doing that to us. So on start, variable start 3, let's see what's going on instead. Set, okay. So when this timer on timer end, will make set variable false. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Once again, this timer auto start is false. The duration is 5 seconds. Only when the button is clicked, this timer will have a start set to that variable start 3, and when the timer ends, on timer end, where is it? On timer end. Oh, that code is gone. Variable start 3 comma false. On this it is set true, on timer and it is set false. Let's run this button. So when the timer ends, we are setting that variables to false. So next time we click, it can be restarted. We don't need this button to stop the timer or reset the timer. That's it for now about timer. Lots of true and false and true and false. I hope you follow it.